Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 7 on the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. Let us start. But Wave Walker rode out the storm. Here rode out means came out. But the boat Wave Walker rode out means came out of the storm. Now it was out of danger. And by the morning of January 6, with the wind easing means here became normal. The speed of the wind became slow. See, by the morning of January 6, the speed of the wind became slow. The speed of the wind became normal. And it became very easy for the narrator to sail the boat. I tried to get a reading on the sextant. The narrator tried to get a reading on the sextant. Now what is sextant? Actually, see in the picture, sextant is an instrument to measure angular distance for navigation. So in this way, the narrator tried to get a reading on the sextant. Back in the chart room. After that, the narrator came back in the chart room. And there the narrator walked on wind speeds, and there the narrator studied wind speeds, changes of course, drift and current in an effort to calculate our position. And the narrator studied wind speed, changes of course, drift and current. An effort. Actually, by doing this thing, he was making an effort to calculate our position, their position, the position of the boat. Actually, by doing this thing, he was trying to find the exact location of the boat in the vast ocean. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean, looking for a 65 kilometer wide island. The best the narrator could determine. The best thing the narrator could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean, looking for a 65 kilometer wide island, and they were searching for a 65 kilometer wide island in the vast ocean. See, it was very difficult to find a 65 kilometer wide island in the vast ocean. While the narrator was thinking how he would get the island, how he would search for the island, this and that, he was thinking. Sue means his daughter, the daughter of the narrator, moving painfully joined me. Sue, the daughter of the narrator, came moving painfully because she was in pain, and joined me means joined the narrator. The left side of her head was now swollen. Actually, she got injury The left side of her head was now very swollen, and her blackened means black, her blackened eyes narrowed to slits. It means narrow gap. Now her black eyes had a very narrow gap between them. She gave me a card she had made. She means the daughter. Sue gave me means the narrator a card she had made, that she had made. On the front page, she had drawn caricatures. Caricatures means cartoons. You see, meaning is written. On the front page, she had drawn caricatures means cartoon of Mary. Mary means the wife of the narrator and me and the narrator. On the front page of the card, she had drawn cartoons, caricatures of her mummy and papa with the words and with the words. The words were also written. See what were these words? Here are some funny people. These were the words that were written with the caricatures. Here are some funny people. Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? Did they make you laugh? Now see, these words were written. I laughed a lot as well. These were the words that were written. Inside was a message, and inside the card there was a message. Oh, how I love you both. Both means mummy and papa, the narrator and his wife. So here the daughter Sue was trying to express her love for her parents, for her mummy and papa. And she was trying to show that she loved them very much. So this card is to say thank you. And this card is to say thank you, and this card was to thank them who were trying very hard to save them. And let us hope for the best. And they should hope for the best. This was the message that were written in the card. Somehow we had to make it. Now the narrator decided somehow they had to make it. Somehow they had to find the island. Somehow they had to reach a safe place. Somehow they had to save the life of all the persons who were on the boat.